Hello everyone. As we all know, media and entertainment industry is in its transformative phase right now as both old and new media continues to coexist. We have interactivity, digitization, multiple platforms and multiple screens that is really bringing the world together. Media entertainment industry is so dynamic. We have multiple media channels starting from our print, radio, television to even the wireless devices, Bluetooth connectivity, and even the VR glasses and headsets that have come into being right now. So I believe our path for the future is great. As PGDM media and entertainment students, let's have a discussion on our 2-year journey till now. So my first question is, in your experience during our course, what kind of theoretical and practical knowledge balance has the course provided?
Yeah, so I feel like we as a student of PGDM Media and Entertainment, we had immense number of opportunities to have a practical edge in our learning. We basically did multiple live projects and summer internship. I personally did a live project in Shimaru Entertainment and HDFC Clarity Live. So basically we have a compulsory live project which is Global Citizen Leadership Project. So where we basically as a student we provide solutions to the real life problems that the companies are facing. So it basically gave us all an edge on how to be a good professional in the industry.
Anybody wants to add to that point?
We've also gone for various industry visits, so it gives us more practical knowledge and happenings of the media and entertainment industry, and we also learn the business side of it, which very few institutes provide currently.
That's a great point, and actually that's leading me to my next question, which is that our course has a lot of industry visits, agency visits, and production house visits that have been built. So what is the key insights, what are the experiences that you've gained through that?
So before we officially begin our course, we have a 21-day induction program where we interact with industry leaders. Different companies come to campus, and we also go to industrial visits. Some of the companies that we visited were Adfactors PR, Shebang and Times of India, which are mostly from the media and entertainment space. There we have interactive sessions. We get to know about the back-end operations of these media and entertainment industries, and we also get to question and learn from these leaders in the media and entertainment space.
That's interesting. Coming up to my next question, how do you guys perceive the current trends and the future growth in the media and entertainment industry?
Yeah, so certainly the media and entertainment industry is rapidly transforming, and in this digital era, people have changed how they watch the content and what they like to watch, and there is a growing demand of content creators and digital marketers, and especially after new technologies like AI, the landscape has completely changed of how it has revolutionized the whole personalization and content creation experience.
That's a very interesting point, and I believe brands are also trying to adapt more of media into their own marketing gimmicks. Brands are coming up with series of their own, like Asian Paints have done, and a lot more things. Barbie has had a whole movie released. So all these companies are trying to look at that kind of touch points, and I believe that is very interesting. Here comes my next question. So, being in Mumbai, the entertainment capital of India, do you think this gives you an edge into the course of media entertainment and your career ahead?
So surely it gives us an edge, because as we all know, Mumbai is the heart of Bollywood and also the media and entertainment capital of India. So pursuing our masters in media and entertainment from Mumbai itself gives us unpacked exposure and experience to the industry. We get to network and interact with various industrial professionals from various sectors, maybe advertising agencies, PR agencies, production houses, and various companies as well, which are not in the media and entertainment space, but the ones that cater to media and entertainment roles and functions as such. So it is a great opportunity, and the exposure that we get to it is immense.
So being someone who's not from Mumbai, I completely agree with what Isha said, because all these other cities does not have what Mumbai has to offer in this particular sector. So, as we already have an edge that our course is taking place in Mumbai, so we already get all these opportunities and facilities, and we get a better learning exposure because of it. So it's good.
Adding to that, our faculties and students combinedly organize different conclaves where we invite industry leaders. Recently, we had a conclave with Indian television where different professionals and top leaders in the industry came and spoke to students, and it was quite an insightful session. Rightly said. I feel we also got various kind of opportunities like live projects. You said that you got a live project with Shamaru. I personally got a live project with Geo Creative Labs, wherein I got to see what actually happens on the backstage. I got an opportunity to see what the green screen actually looks like. So being a media and entertainment student, it really gave me an upper hand wherein I can see what is going on behind the screen too.
That is very exclusive, I guess. I would like to ask the next question, and that would be, what are the key skills that you guys have gained through your admission in the course?
So we being PGDM media and entertainment students, we've got exposure to a lot of skills through live projects and internship opportunities. Also, our curriculum has a diverse subjects. So these include strategic planning, media analytics, media tech. So this gives us a upper hand also that, we get exposure of everything into the media industry. So it gives us a balance between theoretical learning and practical experiences, which gives us sort of opportunities and challenges to survive in this thriving industry of media and entertainment.
And also to highlight that most of our faculties come with immense experience and many years in the industry. So they give us more practical insights to the current happenings in the industry, and not just the textual things that we study from a book.
Since we're talking about faculties, we also have many kind of guest lectures wherein people come into our classes to give us an insight about what actually is going on in the industry. So we have people coming on to give us sessions, to give us an exposure about how the industry works, what are certain skill sets that are required so as to grow in this industry.
That is a very interesting point, and I totally resonate with it, as we had our guests coming on for digital marketing, telling us all about how SEO works, how as a brand you can grow on YouTube or increase your presence on the digital platforms altogether. We've also had some very interactive sessions with the AR VR classes and the new media subject. That was truly interesting. Now that's a very fruitful discussion, and I believe we are come to a conclusion for the same. And we've spoken all about the kind of industry exposures that we've got, and also even inside the classroom with the different activities that we've been through. I would also like to highlight that as we are studying in V School Mumbai, there are also a lot of events that happen internally. One of them mentioned by Gauri was V Communic, which was hosted by media entertainment students only. And we also had the biggest cultural event of our college, Karma, that's also hosted by us. And personally, I am also a media head for one of the heritage event of V School, that is Impact. That's been a legacy for 31 years. So doing all of that, I believe that we have various opportunities to explore, to make mistakes and learn also. So that kind of learnings are coming through our course, and I believe that it's taking us to a brighter future.